Hello all, this is Gary. I wanted to get a video of what we are doing this week, which is the last leg of your projects that you need to do for this class. This is the group project, and this is where you will be put into groups, which I have already done. And you can see I've sent you an email, and I have also posted this on the discussion board where you need to submit your topic for your groups. But in any case, this is a group where you're going to be making a PowerPoint based on a topic. First you need to choose that topic, and that's this week. So get on the stick and try to come up with a topic with your group. Make sure you communicate on that, and then post the topic I believe by Tuesday night. But let's go through this one by one. So here's your front page of Carmen. This is week number 6. You click on the link, week number 6. Excuse me. This is an explanation of everything you have to do. Read these things carefully. The objectives, the assignments, these are the things you need to read, and the videos you need to watch. Okay, do the things you do. Post the discussion board question and respond to your peer. Read this assignment description group project. It has a lot of details in there. Then this week specifically, pick a topic and post it to the discussion board. You're not going to be choosing a group with a project. I'm going to change this, but I already gave you a group. So you have your group members and you need to communicate with them. Here below is the schedule that you need to do. And of course, picking a topic is the most important here. Pick a topic and do that by Tuesday night. There cannot be duplicate topics, and we will see all of those topics as people post in the discussion board. I will approve it before you start to work on it. I will say, yes, good job, go with that, and you should let all of your group members know. Then you're going to begin to collaborate and write a script here, which start Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I believe this goes to week number 7. Tuesday night, I believe the script is due. And I will give you a template for that for you to follow on that script. Okay? Then you're going to be starting to find sources for everything. You're going to be having another tutorial with me. You'll sign up towards the end of this week. I'll make another doodle sign up place. Sign up for a tutorial with all of your members at the same time, and we will communicate via Carmen Connect. And I want to make sure that you're on track and working together on this project. I'm going to also be giving you a Google Docs, not Google Docs, a Google Google Docs slideshow area that's very similar to PowerPoint, but all of you can work on at the same time, so that your project is in one place and you know what everybody is doing. Okay? So let's just go real quickly to the discussion board. I believe if you go to the discussion board, you can see that here, discussions, okay, and the first one here, group movie project topic. So if you click on that, you can see I have the explanation here. Only one from your group needs to post the topic here, but make sure you put all of your group members' names here from the list, and it's down below. And then, for example, like here I put group 1 topic. The members are Gary, Mary, and Larry. This is just a joke, okay? And then after that, I would put what our project is going to be consisting of. If you can, try to give me more details. What is the main topic? Do you have any subtopics that fit under that? It doesn't have to be long, just brief, but what topic are you going to be talking about? Remember, it's based on one of the articles that we have read so far in this course. So try to pick a topic related to that. The group members right down here below. Group 1 is Alyssa, Shintong, Junji. Group 2, Zuokun, Weilin, Vivian. Okay, I might not be pronouncing your names right. Group 3, Yu Chen, Shu Yao, and Qin Yue. Okay, and Group 4, Yu Hei. Okay, Zuhuran, Yu, and Junwan. And then group 5 is Mingjae, Boyan, Xingu, Yu, okay, and Lyra. Okay. Now, if there is a member, some of them you see have 4 members, most of them have 3. But if there's a member in your group that does not participate, you try to communicate as much as you can, but work with the people that are working with you. I will deal with the grades on who participates and who does not participate later. Okay? Do the best with the group that you have. Okay? So, other than that, I just wanted to show you the assignment. Okay, the assignment, if we go home again, real quickly. Is it working? Okay, it is home. This is week number 6. And the assignment down here is group project. Click on that and read this very carefully. 6 stages. You're going to be picking a topic, which you're doing this week. You have a tutorial with me. Okay, that's next week. You're going to be finding out some research questions regarding, your topic, dividing the project up into, if you have 3 people, try to divide it up evenly, who is going to do what. You're going to submit your script to me next week so I can see what you're doing, and I have a form for that. You compose then, the next couple of weeks, you're going to be composing a PowerPoint, putting in pictures, narrating the video, and submitting it via YouTube. Okay, you're not going to upload a video to this site. You're going to put it onto YouTube, and then you give us the link for that. Okay, so that is it. Read this all carefully, and if you have questions, email me. Okay, talk to you later.